Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome once again to English video. I think letter writing was remaining in your part. So I thought of sending a video in this. See children, there are two types of letters, formal and informal. Informal letters are written to our dear, near and dear ones. जैसे कि friends है, relatives है, उनको जो letter लिखते हैं वो informal है. बाकी अगर आप कोई भी लीव लेटर लिखते हो या फिर कोई ऑफिस को लेटर लिखते हो, म्यूनसिपाल्टी को लिखते हो कंप्लेन या कुछ, तो फिर वो हो जाता है एक फॉर्मल लेटर. सो अभी जो हम ये लेटर दिख रहा है आपको इसमें, दिस इज़ अ इनफॉर्मल लेटर. सेंट पीटर स्कूल, मजगांव रोड, मुंबई 400010, 16 June 2020. Dear Daddy, I arrived safely yesterday evening. Nearly all the boys have come back. We have all had the lesson, though this is the first day of the term. I haven't been able to speak to you on the phone. Our phone seems to be out of order. Please give my love to mother, your loving son, Ashok. So this is just a informal letter. He was not able to contact on phone, so he is writing the letter. Just to show you how to write the letters, you have to write your address and that is designation, dear daddy's designation. I arrived से लेके प्लीज़ गिव माई लव टू मदर से तक बॉडी कहलाती है, लेटर की बॉडी बोलते हैं उसको. एंड यूर लविंग सन इज ऑल्सो अ salutation, designation, salutations, all are there. Address. So in letter, marks will be there for every part of the letter. Okay. So now notice the following points in the arrangement of this letter. The writer's address and date are at the top hand left corner of the page. The address and date may also be put on the right, but today it is more common to put them on the left. So to say, if not, it is not wrong to put on any side. It is always correct, but now the trend is on the left side. The greeting, dear daddy, is on the left side of the page at the lower level than the date. The body, the matter of the letter, begins a little below the greeting. greeting के बाद ग्रीटिंग के पहले अगर इनफॉर्मल फॉर्मल लेटर है तो सब्जेक्ट भी रहता है. इसमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं है दोस्तों, तो उसको भी मार्क्स रहते हैं. तो मैंने आपको जैसे बताया कि बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर बिगिंस बिलो द ग्रीटिंग है डियर डैडी. द क्लोज ऑफ द लेटर, दैट इज यूर लविंग सन, सैल्यूटेशन भी बोलते हैं उसको, is below the last words of the body and on the left side of the page. We may put close on the right side, but this method is becoming less common. Signatures comes just below the close. Okay. So you should know that the correct form of greeting when you are writing to the members of your family, you should put dear daddy, dear mummy. When you are writing letter to your friends, dear Ramesh. You should also know the right form of closing with the members of your family with love, your loving son, daughter. With friends, you are sincerely can be used. Note that there is no apostrophe in yours. This is the thing to be noted. One more letter they have given in the form of sample to you. Another example is given below. It's a letter to a friend. 833 Kachigoda, Hyderabad, 50017, 21st January 2020. One also you can write. Dear Raman, whenever I tried to phone you, I got engaged tone, so I am writing to you. Several times you promised to come to Hyderabad and spend few days with me. Please do come during these holidays. I am sure you will enjoy your stay here. You ought to see the spots like Salarjung Museum, Charminar, Mecca Masjid, Nehru Zoological Park, Golconda Fort, and so on. Let me know when you are coming. Yours sincerely, Rajesh. This is called short and sweet letter. He is inviting his friend to stay with him for few days because he had promised several times to come, but he is not replying now, so he wrote a letter. Here are some useful sentences and phrases which can be used in your letters. जैसे कि thank you very much for your letter. I have just received your letter. Your letter has just arrived. I am feeling fine. I am fine, quite well. How are you? How are you getting on? I hope you are keeping well. I haven't heard from you for a long time. I'm pleased to hear that whatever that you have scored well, you got first prize in something that उसको ऐसे complete करना है. I was so sorry to hear the sad news, means the demise of your grandfather, whatever it is, whoever. The sad news means the demise. My regards to your parents, best wishes to you all. These are the some of the phrases which you can discuss. Okay. Now, write the following letters: to your uncle, thanking him for the present; to a friend, asking him to join you for the picnic. So, these are the letters you should write, and you must try. Like, you must write your address, and then, dear uncle, and then, as you have made my day, that day you feel me make me feel proud, and you have sent the present which I was longing for. Thank you so much for your lovely gift, that is watch. It reminds me of the time also, and now it is the trend that we must take time into consideration before doing anything. So I'm wearing your watch with all love, and it is very useful to me, uncle, and you are one among my favorites. So thank you once again for your lovely gift, like that, and yours loving son, like that you can write. And to a friend, asking him to join for the picnic, means you have to ask him to join for the picnic. So you can write your address, dear friend, whosever name you want to say. And this is to inform you that we were longing to go for a picnic. Now my family members have arranged for a picnic to wherever it is, Mahabaleshwar, Chikaldara, wherever you want. You can write one fine name, hill station, national park, whatever you want, and then you can add that if you will be joining with us, we will be enjoying more. And we were thinking of that, so I want you to join us for the picnic, and write the date when you are going, and ask him to join one day before to you, and then you can go along with him. So like that you can complete the letter. If you try and write the letters, then only it will be useful to you, otherwise it will not be useful to you. Now, letter writing 43, letter writing 2. Now, read the letter. This is a official letter. Jawahar Hostel, Delhi, 10007, July 2021. Principal, Xavier School. See, this is formal letter. So, you have to write your address as also to the or to whom you are writing. उसके बाद, dear sir, as I have a high fever, I cannot come to school today. I shall be grateful if you will grant me leave of absence. Yours faithfully, Yaqub Ali, class 5th. Like this is a leave note. Do you notice any difference between this letter and the letters we talked about in the previous unit? In the letters above, you find the address of a person to whom letter is written. It is put on the left hand side of the page just above the greeting. Greeting used here is dear sir. The closure of the letter is yours faithfully. The kind of letters we talked about in the previous unit are called personal letters or informal letters, and they are letters to relatives and friends. And in such letters, the address of the person to whom you are writing should not be included. It should be written only in the formal letters, that is, letter written to officers, business firms, etc. When you are writing to an office, example to your principal, headmaster, headmistress, whatever it is, you should use dear sir, dear madam. Close of the letter should be yours faithfully. Now they have given you two letters. Write a letter to your headmaster, headmistress, or principal requesting a week's leave. So week's leave when you are taking, naturally it will not be for the sick leave, it will be to arrange your cousin to attend your cousin's marriage, like that. The body of the letter will change, rest of the things will remain the same. Your address you can write below that, principal, mother's pet English school, Amravati, and then sir, madam, whatever it is. You can write subject also in this as a leave application subject. You can add that also, but if you want you can do it. And then body of the letter will be As my cousin's marriage is in Hyderabad, I wish to attend my cousin's marriage along with my family members. So I would wish to grant me a week's leave, and I promise to complete the portion, and I'll not give chance of negligence. So kindly grant me leave for a week. Yours faithfully, whatever it is, standard and name. So naturally it will be like that. Now write a letter to your headmaster, headmistress, principal asking for a transfer certificate. Transfer certificate is TC. So whenever you are migrating to somewhere else, or due to some reason, so you have to address will be the same. And dear sir, madam, as my family is migrating from Amravati to Pune for my elder brother's higher education, so even my family is shifting there. So I never wanted to leave this school because this is so good. And I was what I was enjoying the my school days here, but unfortunately now I am in need of transfer certificate. Hope you will do the needful. Then you are faithful. That's all. So I think so. This letter writing, and this would be helpful to you. This video. Please do watch the video, and then if anything is remaining still, I have sent the portion, dear ones. Please check the portion and write to me if there is anything remaining not done in grammar. Please see, check the grammar portion and check the videos also. And if there is anything remaining, I shall be sending you if your notice comes. According to me, I have sent everything, but now if anything is remaining, I'll be sending. So I'll be waiting for your reply. Till then, have a good